Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Kanti why thina abantu besifazane like thola sizifaka kubomakhosi and ungazifaki wena direct uyofaka umunye umuntu. Like now let's say like akinokhulele kini bazingenele isonto lesisi or yawesele or yapostolo or yamasantshoni whatever church IPCC nizingenela lapho. You've never been to umakhosi, you've never been to umakhosi nabazali bakho or family members yakho. Wabona lebe phelo bophelo bawo nokole bible bokole thapelo bokole metsi bokole tiye whatever enisebenzisa sontweni bekuyimpilo yakho. And then wena ufuna ukuthi umdala uyiadult ulingana nami kungijosi so and then you want to explore le ndlela bomakhosi. Ayipheli kahle guys, izinto zabomakhosi azange zaphela kahle. Why? Angibaxekeleli phansi abomakhosi ne, but we need to learn ukuthi abomakhosi siyama kunesidingo. You just don't go there and then ufuna explore ukuthi usibani 2 years back beyangasebenzi manje so ni double story house sahamba ngani. Yey don't explore. Ninga explore le ndlela le because it dangerous. If uzange uyihamba usakhula ungayiqali somdala izokuhlula. Hayi usese ngibhaleswe ubusisi Nthabiseng. It's easy to remember the name. Nthabiseng umbhalero awushoze yo yabona 2025 angikuwi ngifamba emoyeni ngo 2025 umponsi likhala tse7 zabuphelo seke sale 7 hore they are possible zingaba khona empilweni yakho because of trusting umuntu. Uthi awushoze bengisebenza kwenye company abone private company, so from lapho ngathola umsebenzi ku government sector. So mangithola umsebenzi all first time haki yakho Merikong, like I told myself la bengisebenzela khona be environment yakhona be toxic but be right bekhona abantu bengijwayelana nabo like from Merikong. So now sengiya ku government sector I know ukuthi abantu ama government employees banjani, so I told myself you know what ngizofika lapha ngibe reserved ngiyekele into ekidirangi kitso ketsamai kele into kirangi kitso ketsamai. Uthi awushozi ngifike lapha yana bang introduce Nthabiseng uzosebenza department of what uzodila ngabantu what uzoreporta kusibani yabona. Sharp, no problem. First day ayibayangibulisa abantu bazintroduce yabona the intro yandlula indaba indaba introduction. Okay, sharp. Uthi there is this lady usihle, so the lady sihle. Uthi there is this lady usihle hi unjani umuntu friendly ngiyaphila kumele ngisihle ngisebenza in yabona as introduce hayi nami siyakhuluma then sadlula. Uthi ayisahlangana kubo cafeteria right kubana kodi akulunching saxoxanyana yabona saxoxanyana vele kube bo hi sikhuluma indaba zomsebenzi hi yabona. Uthi one day hayi manje sisebo hi sikhuluma indaba zomsebenzi then siyadlula, so kuba hi siyama sesiyaqoqa ke sesiyabonda ke siyakhuluma kamiriri malala ye dikoloi di petrol imahlahasi yonke into ayisaxoxa friendship ifomeke kanjalo ke between uNthabiseng noSihle. Uthi kube ukuthi one day mangifika ku parking uthi ngiyambona uSihle naye ufikile usemotweni but like olebelethi ko class ubheke phansi. Uthi ngiya kuwe ngithi what's wrong girl what uthi ngifike nginokhewini na what's wrong. Uthi umuntu vele uyakhala une blue eye. Hayi ngithi hayi man asingene masinge toilet uzokhona ngifaka makeup sivalele book I always rather jika ke uyendlini athi endlini la ngayikhona. It's okay, so asame ke to cover up the eye with before abantu abanye uthi besese early because mina ngithanda ukufika emsebenzini 15 minutes earlier than isikhathi isicala ngaso. So besese early ngithi asikhithi misi toilet and then ngizokhona ukuphetha ka makeup le blue eye. Uthi hayi vele sihambe. Uthi masihambe vele masifika toilet umuntu vele asikhihle isikhalo asikhihle vele umuntu ukuthi uyakhala. Ngimbuza awusihle yini inkinga sesikwenzekeni yabona. Uthi sisivele amkhalele athi yazini Nthabiseng I don't want ukuthi ngikuthweze umthwalo wami wasendlini but endlini kwami akusimnandi my husband ngimthola ukuthi uyacheater and then in that process masicabana ngamagama wagcina naso yangiphanja ke wangishaya ngimfazi odelelayo. That's why amadoda amanye angangithandi uyazi ukuthi abangani bakhe that's why abangani bakhe bathi akangifanele abamechi in uthi like akhulume like izinto sensitive. Uthi Nthabiseng unjalo Nthabiseng sihle uthi Nthabiseng phela mina undoda mayihlangana nami bengi very slim benginefika bekeli bad bitch bengimuhle ngithanda izinto and then after 3 kids umzimba ushintshile angisanayo ifika amabele ayihlile phela manje or like ibuphilo because of now I need to adjust ke make abereka I'm a wife but like leya lifestyle bengiphila before ngiba nalo abantwana abayi3 angisakhoni. So my husband manje sa busy udatana na the younger version of me. I'm a university student, so kudala ngimkhetha. So this one engimkhetha naye dala bathandana, so abakhona hlukana. So like I've been fighting this battle ukuthi bahlukane akafuni hlukana lo muntu. So I'm thinking ukuthi ngizoyithatha the traditional way lento le, because now this thing angifuni ukuluza umyeni wami, because mina naye sishade in community of property, and if it means ukuthi mina naye sahlukana, mina I'm going to lose more than him because I earn more than him. Uthi umuntu vele aspile the beans, akhiphe izindaba zakhe like that. What early in the morning ngiyabona uthi ngizama ukumduduza ngithi no so what sisi isicathulo ukuthi shisa how fast azo mina I cannot tell you what to do ngempilo yakho. Ngicela ukukwazi, angikwazeli indaba zakho ezideep, but mina for me ukuthi if ever bongakhona move out, maybe uhlala igini for isikhashana, clear your mind ukuthi ufuna yini into esebenzayo kulo mshado lo, because I can see what this thing iyak destroy inside and izo affecta nomsebenzi wakho la emsebenzini. Uthi hayi vele ngimduduze as a woman kilobona gore umunga utlwa buhloko no tutla buhloko kilobona. Uthi hayi ngimduduze vele ngizama ukumake up isikhathi ukuthi emsebenzini vele sifike singene ngaphakathi ema-officeini. Uthi awusizoze isebenze during lunch time, ngibona ukuthi umuntu akaseright. I kept on checking up on her, ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lona like asale right sharp. Yabona uthi ngimtshela you know what, cela ukuthi uhambe endlini, cela yabona uhambe endlini because uhusband show like kusemsebenzini, ufike endlini ukhona ulala urest, abantwana bakhuma babuya bakuthola right manje babe isikole bakuthola right. Yabona uthi hayi vele usisi vele acele vele ahambe. Uthi like I kept on checking up on her because of like umuntu oqala ngibonde naye mangisafika emsebenzini, so ngimfonele usharp athi hayi ngiphuze ngifike ngafuza amapilisi wekhanda nama pain block ukuthi ngikhona urobala ngezidrag ngilale, and then when I wake up ngizokufonela an update ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi sharp or also no laboratory but we Wednesday I umuntu vele alale angabuyi kimi ntambama ngisho ukuthi you know what, ema invade ispace sakhe ne-husband yakhe, ngizokhuluma naye kusasa if uzozemsebenzini. Hayi tomorrow vele the same time sihlangane vele ku-parking, umuntu angitshela ukuthi my husband yesterday akazi solo umuntu ufike wakwata like uyambona ukuthi usacontinue like arrogant gore yena uzamcontrol akasumamakhe unabantwana mina ukuthi abacontrol not yena or like anzenele. So you can see ukuthi this person kahle it's akasi normal bayamsebenzisa ngemithi. Utshela usihle utshela uNthabiseni uthi ngakho yena wamnyamazi like uyachita ayeke, but this one akakhona ukumyeka. There's something this lady ayinikeze my husband and sihle and Ntabiseni I cannot lose my husband. I can't angiziboni ngiphila without my husband. Sihle utshela uNthabiseni hayi uNthabiseni all I was there like ngilobona like kutloletse kile shoulder to cry on kutloletse, but ngibona ukuthi le ntombazana le like uthethe impilo yakhe revolve around this man, and now because this man sits abona ngwana umo and a younger student is I go university, so now intombazana she can do anything and everything to save umshado wakhe. Hayi uthi awushozi I encourage you to move out for iskashana, move out miyekela e1 and then until hayi uthi leso sikhathi bekuyi Thursday yangisho uthi ayingimtshela ukuthi ngeweekend like just take your kids and go home umshayi one, and then maybe uzo realize ukuthi man uyangidinga empilweni yakhe, so kungabe ukuthi sinahlukana just like that because of a young girl. Yabona hayi usisivele avuma usisakoma athi okay let me try le idea ukukhuluma ngayo, maybe it might help me. Uthi hayi vele weekend ifike usisi apheka amabag still ubaba simakashayisa azendlini uyezela la yakhona ubuya ngamo AM. Yabona uthi sisivele abhaka amabag ahambisa abantwana akasendlini, uthi acabanga ukuthi le njalo ingaletha le ntombazana lapha yana sihlala khona awusi start imoto ashiya abantwana kumama drive ayendlini or mangifika endlini ngibona ukuthi since ngihambile lo muntu lo kushuda zangazabuyi because there is no sign ukuthi bekabuyile endlini. Uthi ngihlale Friday night endlini, ngihlale Saturday akabuyanga, ngihlale Sunday akabuyi, uthi ay Sunday afternoon vele ngihambe ngiyolanda abantwana, umuntu akangabuyanga ngilanda abantwana, uthi mangibuya ngimthole vele ukhona. Hayi uthi ngibuza ukuthi how was your weekend nasingekho, uthi ayibe right. Kube ukuthi umuntu bekakhona the whole weekend endlini, but usisi uye bekakhona the whole weekend endlini, amele the husband nali dinga kalefantile lide side chick. Uthi uNthabiseng usihle makafika Monday angicocela ukuthi ngiyile ngayisabantwana ngabo endlini, uthi umuntu azangifonele bekanga WhatsApp the whole weekend mangimbuza ukuthi benjani weekend athi beyakhona endlini be right, but mina ngayitseba neti because of nothing. Yabona uthi ngimtshela ukuthi you know what, if sisi this person akasakufuni obviously like you cannot force him ukuthi azakuthande, miyeke like iphuma endleleni yakhe makaya lapha yakhona ihlala wena uzithulele endlini, but wena you need to make sure ukuthi uya eclinic uphake parking medication bana prep, uziphusele prep ukuthi uziprotect phela kubulutsini because you know ukuthi amadoda njani. What I was told mina nginguNthabiseng, I don't have a husband. I can hardly piece chop with there and there. I can a husband, but I do have a daughter. Mntwana mseka mdala use university. Yabona? Uthi ayusisi kube umuntu ngathi uya understand izinto ngimtshela zona, but awusa understand usisi ayisisebenze iviki liphele. The following week masibuya futhi emsebenzini sisangitshela athi asuphathi kunomunye umakhosi kugayigayi komikhukhu, so bathi umakhosi uyakhona ukuthi akufake something la ngakubup nanasi ukuthi umyeni makazolala nawe, ngathi that thing angazi ingene imyeni indeni umyeni makathi uya ku side chick fike ku side chick indonga ingasebenzi umchini ungadomi. So I'm willing to do that for my husband. So Nthabiseng ngicela ukuthi ukhaphe. Uthi like at first ngibe na this thing ukuthi bomakhosi mina I don't believe bolabantu laba, especially if siyela for into uthakatha umunye umuntu. Ayi uthi because of usihle like saying close naye to a point ukuthi ngimthatha as a friend nanoma sindlini siyachata things like that, siyafonelana, I record lunch dating sethi ali close mohona. Ngithi okay ngizokuphekezela mara mina ngeke ngize ngene ngizohlala emotweni wena uzongena one. Uthi hayi sharp bavumelane, uthi hayi the following week vele bahambe ke weekend uthi bavuke ekseni vele after vele ampick up bahambe vele bayikumikhukhu umakhosi. Uthi awusizoze masifika lapha mina zange ngizehlike usihle ungena i1 sihle wangena ungene isikhathi eside makabuya vele ubuye vele asinukela izintuthu benginganandaba ngibuthi manje friend bakwenzile na izinto zokuthi hayi mankenze nthwebaring bantsenza yona hore ixokhono bereka the husband. Boza sisijozo kwenzeke. The husband didn't want to sleep with the lady. Inyanga yaze yaphela solo umuntu abuye kumakhosi trying to trap the husband ukuthalale naye. The husband basabahle. The husband akalala endlini. Uhamba boma 2 to 3 days manje seka wes akasabuyi endlini. The husband told usihle ukuthi I'm thinking of getting a divorce because mina I don't see you angisakubona attractive anymore. Told usihle straight up ebusweni. Sihle was like furious with angeke. Nthabiseng ngasikhona or close monaka, I'm going back to makhosi. Nthabiseng no sihle they went back to makhosi. Uthi masifika kumakhosi, makhosi now gave her something ukuthi I tell you clean ukuthi itrake usisi ubhuti makabona usisi abone the face of the lady, should abone nyatsi aring America sitsa ditlhare, then azokhona ukuthi ahlanganele naye wabona, then isihlahla lesi sipasifake ngale ku diamond mine sikhona ukuba active sibe reactive sisebenze. Hayi uthi vele uthi vele afike endlini amthelele ngaphakathi ukusiphuza ukubrother aphuze akanaki because of ujwayela ngisho bayenzile ukudla nabantwana naye afike aphuze ubrother abe ku marathon abone sihle as that girl. Or uthi Nthabiseng the most painful part uGuy makalala nami athi bekangibiza ngale name of the girl, bekangibiza angitshela bengithanda ngakhona uyazongishada ngakhona go like nekalala nami with that image lentombazana. Athi I was so hurt but bengihleli kibuthi kibuletso hore I'm saving my marriage. uthi awushozi hayi after the following day ubrother sivele kube right uthi izinto sihle sibe ngathi zalunga vele endini nabo kuba ukuthi akasakhulumi akasay out kule ntombazana le so ya reduce une spend isikhathi endlini ja spend isikhathi nabantwana usisa bona ngathi lento le iyasebenza yabona uthi isikhathi siye ngaha ufele ubrother singathi so ya reduce uhentombazaneni kanti ayifika ngale induku ayivuka and ukuthi bophela olake 2000 ngeke usale young active amakaza yakhe team so ubatla nthwela and ntwe abuthi akhona provider nthwela kongwanyane high yabona so kube ukuthi usisters I don't know ukuthi the husband but waba drunk the girl was university God hold ama number ka sisters akasihle called usihle ukuthi gayitsorwa loyo lo le mona ha ra spatsogelo uthi amtshele direct atshele usihle at you should know gore mona ha 1 rand le ha san robale but utlonrobale ke tlomisa motho a tlo intsanto ekentseng usihle naye waziphindisela uri ya loyo uthakathi into tami ukuthi ngasangiboni ithandane nawo ungeke ulungile kimi uthi kube survival of the strongest kabo makhosi ibe like sisi was like I'm going to take him somewhere bazomkhipha lento umfake yona lona was like nami I'm going to take him somewhere bazomkhipha lento wena umfake yona so manje sokubangiwa bani the husband the side chick and the wife so on type saying what I was just ngibona ukuthi yabona this thing is backfire emehlweni ethu uthi ngimtshela usihle ukuthi you know what sisi yekela lo muntu lo if yahamba ahambe because if ever both of you nizosebenzisa imithi kulo muntu lo omunye umuntu wena uzomhama rather miyekela uthi like sethi ngibona ukuthi manje usihle akasanthandi nodakhe obsessed ka mona hayi abatlisilo and you enjoy the thing ukuthi indoda yakilala na even though ibiza the name of the side chick but ulala naye into like I enjoy yang if bangala lebusuku uyeza chomi yabona uyenzile ntambama even though usangibiza ngale ntombazana le but really taba uthi the excitement ukuthi uyenze naye athi ngibone lapho ukuthi this person obsessed and utloba uzolimaza the husband I would also isikhathi sehambe kanti the side chick went to umakhosi wakhe makhosi gave something to the brothers my brothers akapa yonke into kwaphuma shega kwaphuma yonke into ku system evela kusihle brothers makabe emsebenzini wafika traveling back no side chick was like uyangithakatha wenze 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 engicela lana ufuna ukuthi mina ngihlukane nomuntu wami lo muntu ngiyamthanda and as from now on ngisaphinde ngihlala la I'm here to fetch my things ubrothers bathi akhiphi ama traveling case afaka sihle calls on tapsing my husband uyahamba baba uyomgabhisa ngicela ungiphekezele kumakhosi kusasa fakilanga nami ngifakilanga ngicela ukuthi ungiphekezele kumakhosi what I was just ngimtshela ukuthi this time I'm not going to go with you because angeke ngimvume ukuthi destroy impilo yomunye umuntu nami ngibe khona kibe witness mode longicele nalinethu lizenzayo yabona uthi umuntu akhale efonini athi ngithembele wena uthi mtshela ukuthi ngeke ngikhona ukuya lapho go alone sihle went kumakhosi so now akazange sahlela yeke kumakhosi wakomkhukhu because ubona ngathi imsebenzi kamakhosi uslow went umakhosi laba bakhuluma English ama capital letter niyangizwa guys but usihle went there but uyayi1 so now makabuya uqoqela on tap saying ukuthi ufike lapha yana wayenza ini hayi unthabiseng uthi usihle vela boyamtshela ukuthi umakhosi umufile Thukwana like something Thukwana yini ngisizwe Thukwana ingoma ngisho khona lokho man ngizongibamba nazazi izinto yabona so bathi umakhosi lo English ama capital letter uphe usihle ingoma Thukwana gore Thukwana emakafika enze iritual lento le nizofika yoba like nini izophi yoba ngathi what's the word I tukology man there is something ngifunayo what's the word ndaba zabantu sizokhohlwa like yoba ngathi I be puppet man there is this way that I want yoba mkhofu this thing lena izoba mkhofu meaning like makangena nayo endlini usihle makangena nayo kwakhe yoba mkhofu yofika ihlala lapha yana endlini so this mkhofu umuntu wesifazane mina ukuthi lento le izofika izolala na the husband yoba active husband makafika izolala na the husband so the husband angeke asabalala nomunye umuntu like umuntu wesifazana angeke asafila like urobala le moto omsadi oling physical like present njengami so uyothola satisfaction from that thing, and then iyozomenza ukuthi ahlale endlini because ihloba hore iyamsamona nangibamba mara yomsamona to effect ukuthi makashayisa the only thing enahana nje kunqungu achayisa uyakunqungu komsadini, but then another msadi they will never like be together so physical. Ayanyawusaba umshado mosanganisa abafazi so ayanyawusaba. So like she sacrificed ukuthi yena nendoda bangasahlangani like God kubu, but the husband sexually abe satisfied by lo mkhovulo awulethe endlini. So utshela uNthabiseng rather that nokuthi umyeni wamaphume endlini ahamba kuhlala nenye intombazana. So bathi the husband angisho uthile. So the husband was like, you know what, I'm coming home ngizolanda izinto zami ezisele. So please, I don't want to fight with you. Ngizobona abantwana then I leave. Usisters usihle already knows ubethile the trap to how uberekile ritual high and everything. Avume athi okay, ngilinda ngibe khona ke uzopheka kahle izinto zakho abantwana basibone bathuke together bangaboni ukuthi mina nawe siyaqabana. Hayi the husband avuma. But the husband akasamthembi lo because of lo mise ngale kumakhosi yakhe babamkhipha lezinto lezo usihle bekasifakile ecaleni. So bathi the husband afike angafuna ukuphuza next angafuna ukubamba izinto zasekitchen afike aye ngale kamareni athatha izinto zakhe kanti thukwana ikokamareni imiyemitsi hore atsene fela then thukwana ilekitsena mhuyena like iyamngena angazi ukuthi kanjani mara yazini ngaba bayenza ama subject wabantu abathakatha sifuna ukuthi abantu labo lezinto basenza kanjani like it cannot happen ukuthi back to the story but uguy vele afike vele kamareni. So makafika like kube ngathi kulobana like usebenze isilanga lonke nelangeni then ufika endlini the only time ubona umbhedo vele uziphonse embhedweni uthi ukhathele, but the husband usemayangena ekamareni kwaba umuntu onjalo vele wathi yogilapile wasiphonse embhedeni kwabe ukuthi udoza off like that utshela uNthabiseng nekijukile into isamolayo because ngibhizi ngimchecka nje ukuthi usaphefumula umuntu walala umuntu makade phapha 3 hours later umuntu akasakhuluma indaba ohamba how so umuntu wathi ashingilambile ngicela ungiphakela uthi like kube that husband owangishada eqaleni kube uye uthi ngibona ukuthi into amakhosi iberekile mosimu iberekile uthi umuntu athi ngiphakela hayi uthi vele ngimphakele umuntu waseTV abukele TV adlale nabantwana bophelo botswele peli like angasafuna uhamba. The girl kept on calling agcina yena as decided ukublocker girl what decide ukuthi you know what ngiyamlanda kwakhe because I know the house. Uthi how ugirl vele azofuna my husband the boyfriend phela mafia the boyfriend was like I mean I don't want to lose my family so anything engihlanganisa uthi in front of me atshela le ntombazana anything engihlanganisa nawe angeke ngisakhona ukuqhubeka ngizolanda izinto zami and then mina I'm going to stay with my family. Uthi vele adampa girlfriend just like that. Ngabe sengiphakama ngithi baby samsuzilanda manje singasaphindi silale lapha. Uthi the husband wangena emotweni obedient uthi ahambe siyangikhombela yakhona nogeli afike ngipaka izinto zami vele ugeli was busy umthakathile in the husband was like please don't insult my wife umuntu lomfazi wami. Uthi for the first time since aphithizela namantombazana it was the first time my husband angimela ama-side chick wakhe angithithisa. Uthi ngibone ngithi this makhosi knows ukuthi wenzani yabona. Hayi bathi the husband apaka izinto zakhe babe no mama babele endlini impilo ibe normal. Uthi uSithabiseng all ashozi usihle ezekini angitshela athi yo lento lena phela kudala mina nomuntu lo nama ngithi ngiyambamba ayisebenzi akanama feelings wami but uyangithanda uyangihaga like uyangicabuza like imlo ekumuphatleni mara ukuthi deep kiss athi me and the husband now we are like siblings asilalani. Uthi uNthabiseng awushoza ngawubotsa this thing in only 5 years running. 5 years running umuntu akahlangana nomyeni ezingubeni. So now usihle unenkinga ukuthi now uyafuna ukuthi naye apotopotozwe, because the only thing she does go DJ, uyas DJ the whole time. So uSihle decided ukuthi uNthabiseni ngicela ukuthi ungikhaphe kulo yamakhosi ke siyobona ukuthi lento le singakhona nje ukuthi ibe nama adjustment, because I love the husband ubaphatha kahle, uyababhadelela everything, ukuthi abhadale, uyamkhapha sister semsebenzini, like uma wabhekile i-normal couple ba enjoy impilo yabo, but behind closed doors ahona badla. The biggest problem ekhona ukuthi ayikho, the husband uya-enjoya nomkhofu, but the wife abone, and sadly the husband akakhona ubona yena like physically ukuthi khona umuntu olala naye, but lento liyalala naye ebusuku, and the husband as akadumemusandi akamkhaleli, akamthatha, akambheki ngale nanoma ngaba sokasheleng or anchebelle, like he lost all interest yocansi kulo mama. So uSihle went to Ntabiseng ukuthi ngikhaphe kulo makhosi ukhuluma English ama capital letter. So ukuthi this thing rekaidira jwang gore adjusted to effect ukuthi nami at least once or twice a month akhone umyeni to satisfy lento engiyifunayo. uSihle uthi we went sakumakhosi samthola umakhosi uthi this time I was just because of Kiratari and itaba tse very interesting. I just want to find out ukuthi kwenzekala, uthi ngicela ukuthi hayi ngizongena nawe nankinga. Uthi masingena uSihle chaza story, makhosi into yakho yasebenza endlini kunokuthula, kunepeace, ubaba uyasebenza imali yonke izendlini, but inkinga ukuthi ubaba mina akasangefuni, akasalali nami, akasangibheki ngaleli hlo lesileli lokuthi umuntu wahalela. Mina nomyeni wami sesima sisters, sister and brother, ulala bhekile ngilala ngibhekile, nanoma ngathi ngiyambamba uyoshift abele side, but akalwi nami, akangikhesi, akayenzeni. The fact remains ukuthi akangifile emoyeni, umoya ulo wathubalana amfile. But umakhosi told uSihle ukuthi awusi, mina I told you ukuthi if you want this thing you should know ukuthi lento ifaka kwakho ejardini eyongena ikamareni lakho, it's there to live forever. Nanoma ungaya kuphi, nanoma ngaya kuphi, it's there. It's angisho wayithathela umyeni wakho ukuthi awufuni ukuthi amantombazana lele naye. So when you wanted to keep umyeni wakho inside endlini, so this thing angeke isikhona ukuphuma, my sister, izohlala naye eyakhe already seneminyaka. Ilento le iona your husband. When you're only there nje ukuthi uzoba imidi husband yakho, umhlatswetse umabhele umirele everything na yakusebenzele, but the main character or the main dominant person ulapha yanendlini uyu controller the feelings zamona wagago. Unfortunately I cannot help you any further. uNthabiseng uthi awusichoze go botsa sho motho una le frustration sa gore gona go bala le monna. Now she's thinking of divorcing the husband because uthi ayimsebenzele lento lena ngoba yena she cannot ku age lena ahlali angalalani. Ngiyabona obsession yemishado. So now if I'm divorced lo baba abantu ohlala na lento le kushuthi lo baba abantu ngengekazi abe ne girlfriend ake hani Willis 666 mkwantu wa Pitori mara ka deserve ukuthi alaliswe nento ephilayo izomenza like this. Aka deserve mara basathi lena. Hi sas bye guys, indaba zenu yazi ngiba shocked every day.